Welcome, today I'm with Jabra Elite 85H and I'll show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. So at first you have to grab your headset and you have to turn them on. How we can make it? That's very simple. You have to just rotate them like that. After that, this indicator starts blinking a few times on the green, and it means that right now the device is turned on. Next, we have to focus on the right headphone, on this one, with this dots right here and with this button. So we have to click and hold this button right here until this indicator starts blinking on the blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. As you can see right now, the indicator is blinking, so we can put them like that and simply open the settings of the Bluetooth on our iPhone. And here they are. So we can tap once. And right now we are connected. So there's the first option, how to pair them. The next one, we can use the Jabra sound application. So we have to go for the App Store. So just type Jabra sound. We have to get this application, Jabra Sound Plus. Let's install. I'm gonna input the password. Okay, and if you input your password, you have to tap to sign in. Right now we have to wait until this application will be downloaded. Right now we can open the application, accept permission. Right now the application is looking for our headphones. Accept pairing request. Then click right here. We can go for the first setup, but we can also skip by tapping on the right upper corner. We can enable push notifications, and here it is. So as you can see, there's the second method, how we can connect them to our iPhone. So we got two methods. The first one by using standard Bluetooth settings, or the Jabra sound application. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.